This dessert will push all your flavor buttons. It's sweet and sour, refreshing, chilled and zesty. It's also got creamy and fruity elements. The base is a mint ice, a very southern dessert. So let's start there. Now the first step is placing the sugar in a large saucepan. Add enough water to dissolve the sugar. Then you'll cook it over moderate heat until it boils. After a while, it'll get syrupy. Strip the leaves from the mint, wash them, and fold them in a clean cloth. Beat the mint with a hammer or your hand until it's pulpy. Add that to the syrup. Let the mint steep until you get the level of mint flavor you want. That's when you add a bit more water and let the syrup cool. Add lemon juice to the cooled mixture. You don't want to add it while the syrup is hot because that will make the ice less tangy. To dress this dessert up, we're going to add some garnishes: mint leaves, lime zest, perfectly ripe diced peaches, and a drizzle of sweetened condensed milk. Now it's firing on all cylinders. Tokaji is a great dessert wine with stone fruit flavors, so it goes well with peach or apricot desserts. It comes from the Tokaj regions of Hungary and Slovakia. The most common grape in this wine is Ferment, which is where the stone fruit flavors come from. The Tokaji I chose is from Hungary. It's a Royal Tokaji Late Harvest from 2017, a very sweet wine that can be enjoyed alone or with fruity desserts, but always serve it chilled.